PayPal.me is a feature offered by PayPal that simplifies the process of receiving payments from others. Here's how PayPal.me works. Custom URL. Users can create a personalized PayPal.me link, typically in the format of PayPal.me/username, where username is their chosen identifier. This link serves as their unique payment URL. Sharing. Once the PayPal.me link is created, users can share it with others via email, text message, social media, or any other communication method. This link makes it easy for friends, family, or customers to send payments directly to the user. No account required. Senders do not need to have a PayPal account to make a payment through PayPal.me. They can simply click on the link provided by the recipient and enter the payment amount. If they don't have a PayPal account, they can choose to pay with a credit or debit card. Simple payment process. The payment process is streamlined and user-friendly. Senders enter the desired payment amount and complete the transaction using their preferred payment method. Receipt and confirmation. Once the payment is sent, both the sender and recipient receive confirmation of the transaction. The recipient can view the payment in their PayPal account activity.